Well, hi there pluckers, Ivysaur Fingers again with you with part 2 of my single acoustic guitar arrangement of Carry On Wayward Son by Kansas. Okay, in part 1 we ended up coming out of the intro with a little lick like, which leads us into the verse section and the chorus section. Okay, so from that point we go into the verse and fairly straightforward, A minor, G, F and back to G for 2 times round. Okay, so once I rose above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. Got that? So A minor, G, F, back to G twice. A minor, G, F, G. Right, I'm playing a 4-fingered F, as you'll see. It's not trying to confuse anybody. If you take a 3-fingered basic F shape, all I'm doing is I'm moving this 3rd finger up to the 5th string on the 5th string. So from taking the 3rd fret of the 5th string with the 3rd finger and putting my pinky on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, 5 down to 1, you get a 4-fingered F, and you can play 5 strings rather than 4. Okay, so you could use a bar chord if you so wish for the F and also the G. It's up to you. Just give you the chord names and you play whichever you think is easier for you or sounds better to you. Okay, so A minor, once I G rose above the F, always G. A minor, just to G, get the F, one illusion. Now we go to D minor. I was C, soaring ever, B flat, higher, B flat, 1st fret bar chord, 1st finger, barring the 1st bar, the 1st fret, and then 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, either 3 fingers or a single bar with one of your fingers, okay, or a simple B flat. 1st fret top E string, 1st finger, and then the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 3rd fret with 3 other fingers. Okay, just 4 down to 1 in that case. Okay, so whichever, or failing that you could play a bar chord on the 6th fret, major shape. Okay, whichever B flat suits you better. Okay, so from the beginning of the verse, A minor, once I G rose above the F, G, A minor, F, D minor, I was C, soaring ever, B flat, higher. Now we do a quick change, B flat to C. So D minor, I was soaring even higher. And then back to D minor, but I C, flew to G. I'm tending to put a bar chord G in this to give it a bit more welly on the bass notes, yeah. But a straightforward G is fine, whichever you feel suits you better, as long as it's a G chord. Okay. So from the beginning of the verse again, A minor, G, F, G, and again, D minor, C, B flat to C, D minor, C, G. Repeat the whole thing. Through my eyes I could see I was a blind man. Through my mind I think that I was a man. Hear the voices when I'm dreaming. I can hear them say. Okay, that's the same for all the verses. Okay, then the chorus, A minor, carry C, on my G, Wayward F, Son. Okay, now you notice there I'm playing a 4-fingered C, not a basic C. It's up to you. 3-fingered C is fine. I tend to play a 4-fingered C so I can hit all 6 strings. So this 3rd finger, like the F, goes up a string to the, in this case, the 6th string, the bottom E string, 3rd fret. Pinky goes underneath on the 3rd fret of the 5th A string. Then you can hit all 6 strings. Okay, it's up to you. So A minor, carry C on my G, wayward F. Son. This one's a bit different. A minor. There'll be C, song, G. When you are done, it stays on the G, it doesn't go to the F. Okay, so carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. A minor again. There you will see weary. It's G to F. Rest. Stop. Don't you cry, no. And then into the main riff again that we started the song with. Okay, so from the beginning of the chorus again, A minor, carry C, G, wayward F, son, A minor, this is C, it's where G, stay on G, A minor, there you C, weary G, F to F, where stop on F, don't you cry, no, and then you play the riff again. Twice. And then we go back into another verse, right? Masquerading as a man with a reason. Masquerade is the event of the season. If I claim to be a wise man, but surely means I don't know. Second part of the verse, of the stormy seas of moving emotion, tossed about like a ship on the ocean, set the course for winds of fortune. But I hear voices say, chorus again, same as last time, on my wayward son, there'll be peace when, stay on G, A minor, stop on F, don't you cry no more. No. Now, what happens now is we have another riff. This one is probably the hardest one of the lot, to be fair, okay? And it's this one. That one, okay? Now, this is all pull-offs mainly, okay? So I'll play it very slowly for you. So you hit the A string, the basic starts off with the open A string, 5th string, okay? Right, so what you do is you hit the open A string, go down to the 3rd string and play fret the 2nd fret, hit that and pull off to open. Okay, open 3rd string, 2nd to open 3rd. So then you do the same on the 4th string. Go to the 2nd fret, hit that note, pull off to open. So now you've got, okay. Now you go to the 5th string on the 3rd fret this time, and you do the same thing. You hit that and pull off to open 5th string. Right, so now you've got. Then you go back to the 3rd fret on the 5th string and finish up with an open 4th string. Okay, so open 5th, 2nd fret 3rd string pull off to open, 2nd fret 4th string pull off to open, 3rd fret 5th string pull off to open, back to the 3rd fret 5th string, and then finally the open 4th string. So a bit quicker. Okay. And then we play this bit. All that is starts off with the 3rd fret of the bottom E string together with the 5th fret of the 5th string. So 3rd fret 6, 5th fret 5th, up 2 frets, then go down a string. So I'm now on the 5th fret of the 5th string and the 7th fret of the 4th, and then go down 2 frets. So it's got that same shape, up 2 frets, then move it down a string, 5th fret of the 5th string and 7th fret of the 4th, and you end up on the 3rd fret of the 5th and the 5th fret of the 4th. Okay, so now we've got this very slowly. Repeat the riff completely, starting with the open 5th string. This time you stop there. You don't go down to the 3rd fret on the 5th string. Okay, so the same as start with, 3rd on bottom E string, 5th on this 5th string, up 2 frets, and you finish on that one this time. Then you repeat the whole thing. Okay, so all the way this time. Then the same again. And you end up on that one. Okay, so coming out of that last second chorus where it goes carry on my wayward son. Sorry, let's do it again, sorry. Carry on my wayward son, there'll be peace when you are done. Baby, if you head to rest, don't you cry no more. Okay, and at that point we go into the first riff again with my arrangement, the very first riff. 2 more of those. Right, so you do 2 of those riffs at the end of that, and then we go into the final chorusy bit where it goes 2 stabs on A minor. Carry on, always, and that's 2 hits on an A minor, up, bit of a pause, and then it comes in with nothing. Right, so carry on, you'll always remember. Got that? So 2 hits on the A minor, stop, then carry on, then you hit the G, you will F, always back to G, remember. Again, A minor, 2 stabs. Carry on, nothing equals the splendor. Okay, that's all it is. A minor, but, carry on, you will always remember. Carry on, nothing equals the splendor. Okay, now you go back to the D minor. Now you'll be C to B flat, B flat to C. D minor, surely always, then the D minor, C, G, just like you do on a normal build up to the chorus. Okay, okay, so A minor, do this slowly again. Carry on, you will always remember. Carry on, it equals the splendor. Now your life's no longer empty. Surely heaven waits for you. And then the chorus again, okay? Carry on my wayward son, there will be peace when you are gone, when your head will rest. Don't you cry, don't you cry, don't you cry, no. And then you do it, go into the second part of the intro. That bit, you know that bit? So. Just do that build up again like I did going into the first verse, and that's how my arrangement ends. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. You have all the parts there. Hopefully that makes sense to you and you will be able to play a reasonable rendition of this fantastic song on one single guitar. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.